So I am inside the Grapevine Visitor Center in the old Cotton Belt Hotel. First thing I wanted to point out is here under the stairs there's a Winton live steam engine. I believe it is 7¼ inch gauge. Working headlight. Look inside the cab. Next, we're going to be checking out this layout over there. If you've ever been to the holiday events at Six Flags or Day Out with Thomas, then you'll recognize this layout. It was basically a semi-portable layout that apparently now has a permanent home here at the Grapevine Visitor Center. Let's take a closer look at it. It was built and sponsored by the Lone Star High Raiders. That's a replica of 2248, which operates here in Grapevine on the Grapevine Vintage Railroad. It's been out of service now for several decades, but they're saying it may make a comeback in 2026. When the layout shuts down, as the sign says there, you count to 10, and to restart it, you push the red button. Here's a replica of the Grapevine Vintage Railroad train. Day Out with Thomas is next weekend. They just turned Thomas and their GP unit around on the turntable. You can barely see Thomas there. So they're in the process of setting up this portable layout for Day Out with Thomas as well. They being the Lone Star High Railers here in Grapevine, Texas.